Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you fishing enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of trolling motor accessories, and let me tell you, we've found the cream of the crop. Feast your eyes on the Marine GFH-1R-DP G-force handle patented trolling motor replacement lift and release cord. This right here is not just any trolling motor replacement cord. It's the best Marine has to offer. Why settle for anything less when you can have the ultimate in performance and reliability? Let's break down why this product stands head and shoulders above the rest. First off, let's talk durability. Rated at an impressive 4.8 out of 5 stars for durability, this cord is built to last. Say goodbye to those pesky cord and handle breakages that can ruin a day out on the water. With a 42-inch stainless steel cable wrapped in a tough nylon jacket, this baby can handle whatever you throw at it. But it's not just about durability. Ease of installation is also key. No need to spend hours fiddling with complicated setups. Just strap it on, and you're good to go. So there you have it, folks. The Marine GFH-1R-DP G-force handle patented trolling motor replacement lift and release cord. The best of the best when it comes to trolling motor accessories. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this cord is sure to take your fishing game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.